You don't need a new month. You don't need a new planner. You don't need to wait for after exams next Monday or when you feel ready. You need one day, a do or die kind of day. Because the harsh truth is, most people don't change because they're not in enough pain yet. They scroll videos about success while sinking deeper into excuses. But you're here. So something inside you is done pretending. Today isn't about productivity hacks, it's about flipping the switch. Step 1. Confess to yourself, the lie list. Let's not pretend. You're not too tired, you're undisciplined. You're not too busy, you're unfocused. You're not too late, you're just scared to start. Write down the top 3 lies you keep telling yourself. I'll start tomorrow. I don't have time. I just need to feel motivated. Now read them out loud. You'll feel a punch in your gut. That's your real self waking up. No shame, just truth. And truth is step 1. Step 2. Clean your digital life, the invisible cage. 75% of your stress is not real. It's imported from your phone. Notifications, tiny panic attacks. Instagram, fake lives with real effects on your self-esteem. So here's the challenge. Delete 3 apps that make you feel like garbage. Unfollow 5 people who secretly make you feel less than. Turn your phone gray. Yes, grayscale mode. Try it for one day. You'll notice your brain suddenly has space to think again. Step 3. Burn the old identity, the ritual. This is the most powerful part. Take a notebook. Answer this. Who have I become that I never wanted to be? What habits are turning me into someone I don't even like? What am I pretending to care about just to fit in? Now destroy the page. Tear it. Burn it. Rip it into 100 pieces. You're not being dramatic. You're burying the version of you who was always almost changing. Step 4. Warrior hour, body, brain, breath. Set a timer, 60 minutes. 20 minutes, physical run, push-ups, squats, cold shower. Just move. You're shaking off fog. 20 minutes, mental dump. Write every thought, every insecurity, idea, fear, dream. Don't censor. Let the chaos spill. 20 minutes, stillness. Sit, breathe. Listen to your own thoughts. No music, no affirmations, just silence. You'll feel clarity returning, like someone turned the volume down on life. Step 5, reset your operating system, Command Center 2.0. Pull out a fresh page. Write this. 1. If I only fixed one habit, what would it be? Start with the keystone, sleep. Phone, laziness. 2. If I fully focused for 30 days, what could I become? Not dream, become. Feel the difference? 3. Who do I need to disappoint today to stop disappointing myself forever? Friend? Follower count? Parent expectations? Hard truth. Not everyone deserves the best version of you. Circle your answers. Put the paper on your wall. That's your blueprint now. Step 6. The 9 p.m. mirror check. No escape. At 9 p.m., no matter what, go stand in front of the mirror. Say this. I showed up today. Fully. No lies, no half effort. Just raw, real effort. It might feel weird, but it's the opposite of what most people do. Most people scroll at night to forget how they wasted the day. You faced it. You fought. The day that shifts everything. This day isn't about perfection. You won't become Elon Musk in 24 hours, but you'll become dangerous in the best way possible. Because you'll realize, if I can do this for one day, I can do this again. And again and again. That's how people rebuild their lives, not in time, but in decisions. If you actually do this, don't just like the video. Don't just comment inspiring. Come back at 9 p.m. Tell me in the comments, I did it, I showed up. Let's see who really wants change and who just wants comfort. Your life won't fix itself, but one day can start the fight.